Good morning, everybody. It's a not so perfect day at Coco, but it looks so pretty good. It's really windy outside, but I guess it's kind of what you get for selling during November, which is Heavenly Blue Thing's birthday. And honestly, this is the primary reason why I took this cruise, because I always wanted to come to this place. And I get to experience it with my favorite person in the world on her birthday, make it special. Yeah. And that water looks fucking vicious. Beautiful. And that's Coco Cay. It's a beautiful looking island. I know that hot air balloon ain't going up in all this wind. Look like it's just as many people coming back to this ship as it is going towards, going away from it.
And I know they can move around the snow.
At least the sun is out. That's a plus. Utopia to see. Sure. Here, take the camera. It's on.
Huh?
It's on.
Okay. Look at the beautiful water. You see how blue it is? I don't know how good y'all can see it, but it's amazing. Nice.
I can get that booty swing. Right. Let's see the booty. You want to see the booty. The booty is looking pleasant. So you see that modest thing? All right, y'all. Let me be fully transparent.
What?
So, my lady has multiple personalities. I'm not going to get into all of them because I don't want to embarrass her.
Oh my God.
But sometimes she can be very modest. And other times, not so much. Would you agree, babe? You got contract. She has contracts and personalities. You know, but it's okay. I love her regardless. I want to get some of this rough water over here. It's beautiful color, like turquoise. You see all the fish, babe? All the fish right here. Y'all care about the fish. Y'all see all the fish? It's a bunch of them. I hope we can see some of them on the island. She's trying to get to a smoking area.